What if I told you there were brand new construction duplexes here in Central Texas with one side already rented out for under $400,000? Well, today we're touring 3 completed duplexes here in Copperas Cove with that one side already rented out, and then we're headed over to Temple, Texas, where Welmor Homes is building 4 new duplexes, that's 8 units in total, in one of Temple's growing communities. So whether you are an experienced investor looking to expand your portfolio, a newer investor looking for a home hack, or maybe you're just a first-time home buyer looking to rent out one side to lower that monthly mortgage, this is a video you're not going to want to miss. Hey, and welcome to Living in Central Texas. If you are new to the channel, I'm Andrea Dudick, Realtor, Associate Broker, and your local relocation specialist here in the Central Texas area. On this channel, we cover everything from home tours, community tours, new construction, and all things living and vibe here in the Central Texas area. Today's video is going to look a little bit different as we showcase one of our building partners, Welmor Homes. Now, Welmor Homes builds beautiful new construction and semi-custom homes in the Central Texas area, but they are also building these really fabulous investment opportunity duplexes. Let's go take a look. Copperas Cove has been a popular market for investors because of its proximity to Fort Hood. With thousands of military personnel, civilian employees, contractors, and families moving in and out of the area every year, rental demand remains strong. Welmor Homes currently has 3 completed duplexes available here in Heritage Place with 106 Leon Street, 110 Leon Street, and 114 Leon Street. Each duplex offers 2 separate units, and every unit includes 3-bed, 2-bath, 1-car garage, and approximately 1,253 square feet per side. This means you're getting over 2,500 square feet of rentable space per duplex. So each one of these duplexes are totally different on the exterior, which is really fabulous. You can see the one to the left has that Tex-Mex stone, and then this one that we're going to tour first has the limestone with that really pretty black painted siding, and then the final one has a really pretty reddish gray brick mix with some stucco. So really beautiful, just depending on your vibe. And again, your B side is rented out on all of these. All 3 of these units are 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,200 square feet. This one has that really beautiful gray wall or gray paint color. We have some black granite countertops, great white cabinet space, uppers, pretty green lowers, stainless steel appliances. They didn't skimp out on the fixtures, which I think is wonderful. Nice stainless steel oversized sink. And even though these are under 1,300 square feet, they're super open concept, so I think you could really do great with some furniture in here. Blinds are included. Right off of there is a single car garage. You have really fabulous pantry space, washer dryer over here. You have your vinyl plank flooring, granite countertops, fully tiled tub shower combo. That's your secondary bathroom. Great linen closet. No carpet, so really low maintenance here. Cabinet space, your cabinet space, your closet space. Be standard. Honeywell thermostats. And then each of these duplexes is going to mirror one another. Two of these duplexes have this vinyl plank flooring, and then the final one has some stained concrete for a totally different look. So this primary bath has a single basin, granite countertops, walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. I'll pop you on out to the backyard. So much different from an apartment is you actually have a decent sized backyard on these duplexes with the full privacy fence. And you do have that full brick exterior. And there is irrigation, so no hand watering. Okay, our second duplex is this lighter Tex-Mex color stone all the way around. Some warm and cool tones throughout. And this one is the stained concrete, and I'm actually kind of loving how this one turned out. But you have a white colored wall, the gray stained concrete, and they did a taupe colored cabinet, which I'm thinking is accessible beige, but it looks beautiful. You still have those stainless steel appliances, deep stainless steel sink. I'll give you a peek inside the garage. Nothing crazy, but good to take a look at. So just a single car garage with, electric, oh my gosh, motorized garage with your electrical panel out here and your water heater. And this is the same floor plan. They're all the same floor plan. They just look slightly different depending on what your aesthetic is. And your walk-in pantry. And oh, it looks like I might need to build that one out still. Got your back patio out there. Your white granite countertops with that accessible beige or those taupe colored cabinets. Some gray fully tiled tub shower combo, linen closet. Again, your secondary bedrooms both have fans and no carpet. So once again, super easy maintenance on these units. Single vanity, fully tiled walk-in shower. And your walk-in closet. If you would like to see that third unit, go ahead and give me a call. I'd be happy to tour it for you, but we're actually gonna head on over to Temple. 106 Leon Lane is a little cutie with the side B already rented out. The exterior is a mix of that white Austin limestone and an off-white stucco. I love the cute covered front porch area and fully sodded and fenced backyard. Throughout the home, you'll find the luxury vinyl plank, some really cute pendant lighting, two-tone cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and the super functional and open concept floor plan. There's a great use of storage in this floor plan, fans in all of the bedrooms, and not having carpet really helps the long-term durability of this home. One thing I really like about Welmor Homes is they don't build investment properties that feel like investment properties. When you walk in, you'll notice the open concept floor plan, durable flooring, natural light, and modern finishes throughout. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space, modern appliances with a built-in microwave, electric range, dishwasher, and a layout that people are going to appreciate. The primary bedroom has a spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and a well-designed bathroom with a large shower. Outside, you'll find private fenced backyards, covered front porches, and one of my favorite features, the four-sided masonry construction. All three of these properties are wrapped in stone, brick, or a mix of stone, brick, stucco, and hardy plank. Currently, each duplex already has one side rented. For many investors, that's a huge advantage because you're purchasing a property with immediate income already in place. And for those of you that are interested in a housing hack, this could be an incredible opportunity. Imagine living in one side while the tenant on the other side helps offset your mortgage payment. It's one of the fastest ways many investors build wealth through real estate. But here's the part that many people don't realize. When you're buying a duplex and planning to occupy one side, lenders will often allow you to use a portion of the anticipated rental income from the other unit to help you qualify for the loan. Typically, lenders can use up to 75% of the estimated market rent as qualifying income. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions I hear is people thinking that they need a huge amount of money to buy an investment property. The reality is, if you're purchasing a duplex as your primary residence and living in one side, there are some very attractive financing options available. For example, FHA financing can be as little as 3.5% down, conventional financing can be as little as 5% down, and VA financing for eligible veterans and active duty military members can be 0% down, with again the intent to purchase the duplex as your primary residence and live in one side. That's one of the reasons duplexes are often considered one of the best entry points into real estate investing. Of course, every lender and loan program is a little different, so you'll want to speak with a qualified loan officer about your specific situation. If you're interested in financing one of these duplexes, I recommend contacting a local lender. Jacob Studdard, one of my favorite local lenders, is below. Whether you're looking at FHA with 3.5% down, conventional as little as 5% down, or VA financing with 0% down for eligible borrowers, Jacob can help you explore your options and determine what you qualify for. Here with my friend and builder Glenn Morrison with Welmor Homes. We met about a year ago on a different home and we've continued to work together ever since.
Yeah, Glenn Morrison, I'm co-owner of Welmor Homes. I've been in the business for several years now, having retired from municipal government back in 2016. We take great pride in what we do, especially with our custom clients. It's a real opportunity to get exactly what you want, and we want to take the pressure off and just make the process so much easier that you can relax and enjoy the build.
Okay friends, we've arrived in Waters Crossing here in Temple, Texas. I was going to do this outside and walk you around, but they've already started framing, so it's just extra loud and that was impossible. But we've arrived. It's good to know that actually Temple is one of the fastest growing communities in Central Texas because of its healthcare system, Baylor Scott White, its proximity to I-35, and its convenient location between Austin, Waco, and Fort Hood. Welmor Homes is building these 4 duplexes, that is 8 rental units, and they've already picked out the floor plans, but we haven't picked out the selections just yet, so I'm super excited about that. These will also be 3-bed, 2-bath units, actually larger than the Copperas Cove units. These are going to be 2,700-ish square feet in total. So what is that? 13.5 per side. So a little bit bigger. The price points will still be under $400,000. I'm really excited about it. Now, if you have any questions about these duplexes, about investing in the Central Texas area, or just relocating to Central Texas in general, I'd love to be your guide. You can find all my contact information below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that you can stay up to date on all things real estate here in Central Texas. Till next time.